You are currently under attack. Right now, as you sit here, millions of tiny invaders are trying to breach your defenses. They are on your skin, in the air you breathe, and in the food you eat, yet you feel nothing. You go about your day completely unaware of the silent, relentless war being fought inside of you. A war waged by a microscopic army so sophisticated, so intelligent, that it learns, remembers, and adapts to protect you. This isn't science fiction. This is the story of your immune system, the most incredible defense force in the universe, and we're about to uncover how this hidden battle keeps you alive, moment by moment. Think of your body as a magnificent, bustling kingdom. Your immune system is its national security force, an intricate network of cells, tissues, and organs working in perfect concert. Its one mission: to patrol your body, identify anything that doesn't belong, and neutralize it before it can cause harm. This force is composed of trillions of individual soldiers, primarily your white blood cells. They aren't just one type of soldier, though. This is a highly specialized army with scouts, frontline infantry, intelligence officers, and elite special forces, all communicating through a complex chemical language. This system is divided into two main branches: the innate immune system, your rapid first responders, and the adaptive immune system, your highly specialized strategic unit. Together, they form an impenetrable fortress. Your first line of defense is brilliantly simple and surprisingly effective. These are the physical and chemical walls of your kingdom, your innate immunity. Your skin acts as a tough, waterproof barrier, a formidable shield against most invaders. The delicate mucous membranes lining your nose, throat, and digestive tract are not just soft tissue. They are sticky traps, catching pathogens before they can go deeper. Your stomach acid is a corrosive pit that destroys most bacteria and viruses that you swallow. Even your tears and saliva are not just water. They contain powerful enzymes like lysozyme that can break down the cell walls of bacteria. This frontline defense is non-specific. It doesn't care what the invader is, it just keeps everything out 24/7 without ever needing a specific command. But what happens when these walls are breached? Imagine you get a small cut on your finger. A tiny legion of bacteria has just broken through the first line of defense. Instantly, alarms go off. Damaged cells release chemical signals like distress beacons that trigger the inflammatory response. This is why the area gets red, warm, swollen, and a little sore. It's not a sign of failure. It's a sign that your army is mobilizing. The redness and heat come from increased blood flow as your body rushes reinforcements to the area. The swelling is caused by blood vessels becoming more permeable, allowing your immune cells to leave the bloodstream and enter the tissue right where the fight is happening. Inflammation is the battleground being prepared for the arrival of your troops. The first cells to arrive on the scene are the foot soldiers of your innate immune system, the phagocytes, which literally means eating cells. The most numerous of these are the neutrophils. Think of them as the brave, almost reckless infantry. They are produced in your bone marrow in massive numbers and flood the site of an infection within minutes. Their strategy is simple. They engulf and digest any foreign particles they encounter, from bacteria to cellular debris. They fight so hard that they often perish in battle, forming the main component of pus. Following them are the macrophages. These are larger, longer living cells that are not only powerful eaters, but also act as cleanup crews and commanders, devouring pathogens and then signaling to the rest of the immune system about the nature of the invader. While the innate system is fighting the immediate battle, the macrophages and other sentinel cells are doing something incredible. They are gathering intelligence. After consuming a pathogen, they break it down and display pieces of it, called antigens, on their surface. They then travel to the lymph nodes, the command centers of your immune system, to present this intelligence to the most sophisticated branch of your defense, the adaptive immune system. This system is slower to act, sometimes taking days to mount a full response, but it is incredibly powerful and highly specific. Its key players are another type of white blood cell called lymphocytes, which come in two main types, B cells and T cells. This is where the real strategic warfare begins. In the lymph nodes, the intelligence-carrying cells present the antigen to countless B cells. Each B cell is unique, designed to recognize just one specific shape of antigen. When a B cell with the perfect matching receptor finds its antigen, it's activated. It's like finding the one key that fits a very specific lock. Once activated, the B cell begins to multiply rapidly, creating a clone army. Most of these clones become plasma cells, which are essentially mobile antibody factories. They churn out millions of Y-shaped proteins called antibodies, which are released into the bloodstream. These antibodies are custom-made weapons designed to swarm through your body, find the specific pathogen they were built for, and tag it for destruction, making it easier for phagocytes to find and eat. At the same time, another critical process is happening with the T cells. T cells are the special forces. There are several types, but two are key. Helper T cells are the generals of the adaptive immune response. When they are presented with an antigen, they become activated and begin directing the entire battle. They release chemical messengers called cytokines that stimulate the B cells to produce antibodies. They supercharge the phagocytes to become more efficient killers, and they activate the other major type of T cell, the cytotoxic T cell. Cytotoxic T cells are the elite commandos. Their job is not to fight the enemies in the open but to hunt down your own body cells that have been compromised and infected by a virus or have become abnormal. They are assassins of the cellular world, inducing these infected cells to self-destruct, preventing the invaders from multiplying and spreading. Perhaps the most amazing feature of this entire system is its memory. After the battle is won and the invaders have been cleared, the job isn't over. A small number of the B cells and T cells that were created for that specific fight don't die off. Instead, they become memory cells. These are the veterans of your immune army. They circulate in your body for years, sometimes for your entire life, holding a perfect memory of the enemy they once fought. If that same pathogen ever tries to invade again, the response is immediate and overwhelming. The memory cells recognize it instantly and launch a massive counterattack so quickly and forcefully that the pathogen is eliminated before you even feel a single symptom. This is immunological memory. And it's the beautiful, brilliant principle behind why vaccines work and why you typically only get diseases like chickenpox once. Your immune system is an incredible, self-regulating fighting force, but it doesn't operate in a vacuum. It relies on you to provide it with the resources it needs to stay strong and ready. This isn't about boosting your immunity with a single product, but about supporting its natural function through a healthy lifestyle. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial, as this is when your body produces many of the key immune cells and proteins. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals provides the raw building blocks for these cells and antibodies. Regular, moderate exercise can help immune cells circulate more effectively. And managing stress is vital, as chronic stress hormones can actively suppress the immune response, leaving you more vulnerable. You are the commander-in-chief of this army, and your daily choices are its most important supply lines. From the simple barrier of your skin to the complex targeted warfare of your lymphocytes, the story of your immune system is a testament to the sheer brilliance of the human body. It's a silent, constant battle, a perfectly choreographed dance of defense, memory, and adaptation that allows you to navigate a world filled with invisible threats. Understanding this process not only fosters a deeper appreciation for your own body, but also empowers you to make choices that support its incredible work. If you want to keep exploring the amazing mechanisms that keep you healthy, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And for a deeper, more personalized dive into your health, download the dedicated app you can find in the description and in our bio.